everyone, Miss Samrina is back with another video, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the concept of development region and federalism. Okay, so yes, Nepal is a mountainous and landlocked country situated on the southern lap of the Himalayas, between China in the north and India in its all other directions, that is east, west and south. Means Nepal shares its border with India in east, west and south, and with China in the north, right? And it is a landlocked country and a small country, right? So in terms of area, it is not a large country. Okay, it has an area of 1,47,181 square kilometer. Okay, recently 1,47,516 square kilometer भएको छ, तर officially hasn't implemented. Okay, so अहिले हामी ए पुरानो एरियालाई हेरौं. Okay, 1,47,181 square kilometer, recently 1,47,516 square kilometer भएको छ, तर officially भइसकेको छैन. So yes, which is 0.3% of total landmass of Asia and 0.03% of the world. Okay, and yes, it has varied or diversified landform. Yes, हाम्रो देशको landform equal छैन. Okay, and yes, it has varied or diversified physical structure. Okay, in the northern part of Nepal, it has high-escaped mountain and has cold climate. Okay, it means यसको climatic situation, condition and physical feature के छ, unequal छ, not similar throughout the country. Okay, in the northern part of Nepal has high mountain, yes, high snow-capped mountain and has very cold climate. Yes, and in the center of Nepal there is high hills and hillock terrace landform, and it's called hilly region. And in the southern part of Nepal, it has plain land and called Tarai region and has humid climate. Okay, and hilly region has moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold. Yes, so हाम्रो देशको के छ, landform is varied from north to south, and it has varied climatic condition. Okay, so among several causes, its topographical structure is one of the main cause that Nepal is backward from the development. Okay, or yes, it has remained backward country for years due to having such unequal geographical topography. यसले गर्दाखेरि like such topographical structure obstruct in the development activities of the country. So to carry out developmental activities, हैन, topography ले पनि effect गरेको हुन्छ. हैन, plain land मा जुन तराई region छ, it is more prosperous and more developed. किनभने के गर्न सकिन्छ, easily government can carry out developmental activities, हैन, जस्तै construction of road or irrigation facilities or other means of transport, or infrastructure of development. त्यसमा चाहिँ southern part मा सजिलो छ than in northern part of Nepal. And it has like unequal population distribution and migration of people. Okay, from hill and mountain to the Tarai and to the cities from village areas. मान्छेहरू कहाँ जान्छन्? They migrate from one place to another place in search of facilities. जो facilities कहाँ छ धेरै? In Tarai region and in cities of Nepal. त्यसले गर्दा के भइरहेको छ? Unequal distribution of population and migration of people. So this sort of physical structure is one of the reason that development activities चाहिँ के हुन सकेको छैन, equally carry out हुन सकेको छैन. So नेपालमा development equally हुन सकेको छैन. But however, yes, Nepal is one of the fewest countries in the world with much varied topographical structure. Yes, so as we know that as we know already, more than 30 million of diverse people are living in this country. So we can take Nepal as a small world. संसारभरिमा हैन diverse landforms छ नेपालमा, diverse ethnic groups are residing and diverse culture we can see in our country. So this is one of the feature of Nepal as well. Due to having such geographical features, it is being like difficult to carry out development activities throughout the country, equal lerauनुको लागि or balanced development को लागि. So त्यसको लागि to carry out balanced development, yes, the concept of development region was developed in Nepal in 2029 BS. In 2029 BS ma Nepal was divided into 4 development region, and in 2037 Nepal further divided into 5 development region to carry out equal and balanced development. Okay, yes, this much for today. Okay, and in next video we will discuss about the development region. Okay, 5 development region को बारेमा discuss गर्नेछौं, and federal system of government. Okay, federal governing system को बारेमा we will discuss in next class. Till then, keep learning, keep watching the videos, stay safe.